So the next method is elimination. This is on page 72. So let's say you have these two equations. 7x plus 5y is equal to 32. And 3x plus 4y is equal to 23. So this is equation 1 and 2. Now we can solve these two equations using the substitution method, but it's a bit trickier. It takes a bit longer, and we can actually solve it using elimination. So in elimination, we're going to subtract one equation from the other equation, because we want to eliminate either the x or the y. So, but we need to have exactly the same value for x or y to be able to eliminate them. For example, if I had 7x minus 7x, x would be gone, and I could solve the equation for y. So we need to multiply to make either the x or the y the same value. So in this equation, I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 7 and the top equation by 3. And that means that everything in the equation gets multiplied by these numbers. So this is equation 1. 3 multiplied by 7 gives me 21x plus 15y is equal to 96. 7 multiplied by 3x gives me 21x. Yay! Perfect. 7 multiplied by 4 gives me 28y, which is equal to 161. Now I can subtract one equation from the other equation, well, the second equation from the first equation. So I lose the x's. 15y minus 28y is equal to negative 13y. 96 minus 161 is negative 65. I divide that 65 by negative 13 to get a value for y. The negatives cancel out, so I have a positive number at the end. And that number is 5. So y is equal to 5. Let's take that 5 and substitute it back up here. So we've got to find a value for x, because there's always two unknowns, and we have to make sure we find both of them. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 over 3, so x is equal to 1. So you can see that sometimes the elimination method is much easier and faster, and you can use this on all the questions, all simultaneous equations, but it's up to you what you find easier. So now try to do some of the problems in exercise 20.